What about bearded old men? I am your teacher. The audience is a cave. The textbook is fear. I will grind idols into dust. Your hopelessness. First look into the abyss, and do not thirst for knowledge. My claws are chalk, I will pave the way for you to glory. My fire is an eraser, it will destroy half-truths. Dragon's cave, how not to die from the truth. Aperitif, eat this night, drink this loneliness. No, all my questions are eating away at the soul test. Will you survive or will you become a skeleton at the entrance? Your light, but a black hole in the center of the eye absorbs your wise and turns and runs where created gods die. Principles crack, anatomy of illusions. Dragon's cave, how not to die from the truth. Aperitif, eat this night, drink this loneliness. No, all my questions are eating away at the soul test. Will you survive or will you become a skeleton at the entrance? Don't call me wise wisdom. It's for those who believe in the finale. And I am a stream of knowledge, eternal movement falling without bottom. I will teach you to fall with curiosity, without hesitation. Watch as your former me disappear. Dragon's cave, how not to die from the truth. Aperitif, eat this night, drink this loneliness. No, all my questions are eating away at the soul test. Will you survive or will you become a skeleton at the entrance? The lesson is over, you survived. That's a success. Homework. Look at the star. You're not looking at it, at your own thought. Destroy this thought, what's left. Play this game. This will be your first sacred knowledge. Oh, don't come back until you understand that there is nowhere to go back. You are everywhere like me, like the light of the star that you killed to be born. That's all. The lamp is extinguished. The cave is closing.